Benjamin Tun, and here where you are seeing me, I'm a workshop in Kenya. We are making this bus, this wooden bus. So this first step I'm doing is called casting.